All right, good morning. So we're expecting 12 to 18 inches of snow today. All right. It's supposed to pick up throughout the day. I can already hear the snow plows outside. But we're going to start our day. We're going to go to the gym and then we're going to start working. So I'm not going to set a goal today because I can't really tell what the conditions are going to be like today. You know, I may or may not continue working depending on how bad the roads are. But we'll find out. I don't think it's going to be that bad, but I could be wrong. My plan is to just, as always in the snow, just take it nice and slow, move at my pace, keep my distance, and just take these orders because there will be orders. You know, limited drivers, and I'm gonna be that guy trying to scoop up that money. But let's get ready for the gym. Let's see what it looks like outside. It's not too bad. Light snow on the car, I can tell. Whew. T-shirt. I think that's a parking spot. Do this again. All right, as long as we got the heavy snow off, we're good to go. All right, we're gonna swing into McDonald's here and get a coffee to start the day off right, you know? All right, we're gonna strap on the snow boots. We'll be needing those today. Then we're gonna turn on the apps. Okay. All right, it's time to strap on the snow boots. Okay. Put those there. I can't believe my backup camera is actually free and clear. Look at that. Look at that. All right, let's take a look at these roads. All right, so here's a look at a few offers that came through already. To put it plain and simple, guys, not worth my time. I decline all of these. If people want their food or groceries delivered to them, they gotta pay up. That's the name of the game today. But I have the choice. I have the choice, so I'm sure we'll get some good ones in just a minute. All right, we got our first offer of the day from Uber Eats. It's a stacked order. $16, 8 miles going into North Providence. Let's move. All right, handed the first one off. Have a good day. All right, we're doing this drop off to somebody who refers to themselves as Ghetto Boy. Let's see if they actually live in the ghetto. Well, it's not Beverly Hills, but I wouldn't call it the ghetto. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I'm hungry. I just don't know what to eat. There's so many places that I could eat. I just need to pick one. Rice bowl at Baja's, Bren? Sure, let's go for it. Hey, let's do a rice bowl, please. It's just wet and cold. And it is what it is. Let's get some heat going in here. Let's get some heat going. Get our table ready. Let me show you what I'm working with. I freaking love their rice bowls. Shake it up. Freaking love them. All right. So we have buffalo chicken, steak, plantain, mixed vegetables, rice, black beans, and I've got some sauce in there. I got some mild salsa, but I have my own salsa as well because, you know, it's a cold day and we got to spice things up a little bit up in here. Okay, guys, let's do it. Start off with some plantain here. That is good. That is good. So I'm going to take a little break here. I'm going to watch my show. I'm watching This Is Us on Netflix. It's a great show. I'm all the way in. And it's very sad, though, I will say. There's a lot of sadness in it, but whatever. It's a good show. Anyways, I'm going to watch that and then we'll get back to work. All right, back to work here like a bat out of hell. Uber Eats coming through with a stellar offer here. $22, under 3 miles, and we're only picking up 2 items, and the grocery store is right here. I'm literally Cupid right now. Hey, these are for you. Happy Valentine's Day to all my lonely hearts out there. All right, so lovely tree in the middle of the road there, but we just got this offer from Uber Eats, $9 for just under 4 miles. And we're gonna keep this train moving. I've noticed that Uber Eats is relentless at the moment. It's just nonstop. Sure, come on over, bud. Take both lanes, it's cool. Take all the space you need. That boy just handed me $6 cash. What a kid. Have a good day. All right, so it's 6 o'clock and I've already surpassed my daily minimum, which was $150. And it's been busy today, as expected, because it's a snow day. But I also noticed that Uber Eats is offering a Quest bonus. So if I complete 6 more Uber Eats trips before 9 o'clock, I'll get a $12 bonus. All right, we've got 3 hours to do that. We'll definitely hit that. So that'll be a nice way to end the night. Let's finish strong, and then we'll head home. All right, so we have completed the quest. We got our $12 bonus. I don't know how much I've made exactly, but I'll find out a little later, because with Uber Eats, the tips come through usually like an hour after you make the drop off. So I'll find that out later. But I'm ready to go home, ready to get these clothes off, these boots off, jump in the back, stretch out, just chill out for the night. Today was a great day. Thanks for riding with me. Let's go home. When I'm taking my boots off, the ground down here is soaking wet, so I just leave the boots down here and I make sure that my socks don't touch the wet carpet. So I just like to, you know, get up and get back here as soon as possible. Okay, so we are going to be wearing comfortable socks and some pajamas. It's going to be a cold night. All right, I am just about done with today. It was a good day. We blew past our daily minimum of $150, largely in part to Uber Eats. I think I only made like $20 with DoorDash, and those Quest bonuses really helped. It was a long day. It was cold and wet, but it was well worth it. I wanted to give you a point of view reference of what it's like to wake up in a car while it's snowing out. So I hope I was able to capture that for you. And yeah, I'm gonna jump back here. I'm gonna chill, stretch out. I'm not hungry, so I'm just gonna relax, watch my show, get a good night's sleep, and that's gonna do it for today. I appreciate you guys for tagging along, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.